Reading for the High School Musical fan. We're studying High School Musical 2. These are some of the expressions we learned today. Charai in English. Charai in English. This was your word. Charai. How do you say charai in English? Do you remember? Flashy or gaudy. Their personalities were too flashy or too gaudy. Okay? Hitomebore. He fell in love with her at first sight. Or it was love at first sight. Remember? Chatto dasai. 2 words we learned. You know one. He's a little nerdy. Or he's a nerd. Or he's a little dorky. He's a dork. She's this beautiful. He's over here. She's out of his league. She's too good for him. She's too beautiful or too cool or too smart or too good. Mazakon, he's a mama's boy. He's a mama's boy. He waited for the musician. Come on, that's a very basic mistake. Wait for. Wait for me. He waited for her. I waited for him for an hour. Double for. I waited for him for an hour. I'm tapping my finger to the music. I'm moving my head to the music. I'm dancing to the music. Nerd, dork, nerdy, dorky. The movie is ultra violent, super violent. You look ultra sexy. That's ultra stupid. Any of those are fine. Ultra romantic. Okay. Ultra gaudy. Auspicious. We often say, on this auspicious day, on this great, wonderful, to be remembered day. Actually, I told you auspicious just means great, but actually, auspicious has a more heavy meaning. If something is auspicious, I don't know what this, let me see. Promising. Great day, auspicious. Often, in this case, it was negative. This was not an auspicious start, right? So something that's going to be successful. For example, the first time you perform on stage, you do a great job. It's an auspicious start. Very good start. もう最初から良かったね. Often 最初からかな. I guess great is an easy way to say. Great, respected. Gallant. Gallant is gentlemanly. A very gallant gesture. For example, if I pull out the seat, I say, oh, let me get the seat for you, please. Please sit down. I'm gentlemanly. I'm gallant. Irrelevant is 関係ないことね. That's irrelevant. So, for example, for many men, a woman's job is irrelevant. Many men don't care about a woman's job, but for many women, a man's job is relevant. 関係ある. Relevant, irrelevant, 関係ない. Maybe for you, a man's height is relevant. But for another person, a man's height is not relevant. Money is usually relevant. It's a 関係ある, right? It's relevant. Their school is enemies with my school, so I can't date him. Right? I can't date a boy from Tokai because his school is enemies with my school. Our schools are enemies. It's relevant. It's irrelevant. 関係ある,関係ない. That smells good. You look good. You inspire me. That sounds good. Remember, 99 good. That looks good. That looks good. That sounds good. That tastes good. That smells good. That feels good. Oh, that feels good. Kimochi, right? Okay. You inspire me. You inspire me. You are the music in me. You inspire me. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Let's see. She has muscle. She's... I'm sorry. This is a mistake. She's muscular. Muscular. Please fix your paper. Muscular. Whoops, where is it? Muscular, see? Muscular. Misspelling. Bad mistake. Muscular. I'm naturally thin. I'm naturally strong. I'm naturally smart. I'm naturally muscular. She has naturally muscular legs. Or I'm naturally good at sports. I'm naturally good at music. I'm naturally good at school. She's naturally cute. Do you want to come in? Oh, do you want to come with us? I'm in. How do you go? Forehead, forefinger, forearm. Coordinate. Awaseru. Coordinate. We're going to coordinate our schedules. Coordinate our watches. To coincide is to happen at the same time. Please remember, we do not use the word join with party. Are you joining the party? No. Are you coming to the party? Are you going to the party? Join me. Would you like to join me? Why don't you join me for a cup of coffee? I joined the baseball team. I joined the company. Enchanté. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Enchanté. That's your lesson. Thank you very much. See you next week.